Naghanap ba kayo ng activity para sa selebrasyon ng Father's Day bukas? May papakita kami sa inyo mamaya. At kung may celebration, syempre may pa-cake tayo dyan.
wow!
O tikman natin yan mamaya. At pag-usapan din natin mamaya ang mga naging ganap. Eto na, sa nakaraang
Grabe.
Netflix.
Last week, Mamu, pinlay na natin yung mga yung mga highlight, interview kay Liza Soberano. Pero ngayon, mahihimay pa natin yung iba pang mga showbiz na nasagap ko sa Amerika dahil ang dami nun. O, di ba?
Sobra.
Kaya samahan niyo po kami isang oras ng kwentuhan ngayong umaga. Tutok lang po, 1PH Signal Channel 1, Signal Play app, Facebook and YouTube ng 1PH at 105.9 True FM.
Yan. O paano? Ano na ito?
Oo, ayan. May mga bonding tayo. May guest pala tayo ngayon, Mamu.
Oo nga eh. Mga inay, tanong nyo rin ba where to celebrate ngayong Father's Day?
Oo.
Bukod sa mag-bonding, pagkain, pamamasyal, pagsisimba, try nyo rin manood ng isang musical.
Na
O yan, na
pangpamilya.
pangpamilya. Saktong-sakto riyan ang ipinapalabas na ngayon na musical na Come From Away. Ito na, makakausap na natin ang actress, lead actress, no?
Wow, yes.
Oo, na si Carla Guevara, La Forteza.
Hi.
Hi, Carla.
Morning,
Morning.
Ate Tik and MJ.
Oh my God!
Hi.
And of course, dito rin
Back
si
to back.
John
Oh.
Santos.
Diba? Bawat bata may tanong. Hi, John! Musta?
Ganito, ba't
ganon?
ganon? Yes,
Oh,
written
diba?
by Maestro Ryan Cayabia.
I know. O,
Hello,
taga-trivia
team.
muna,
Hello,
John.
Carla. Hello,
Good morning.
MJ. Good morning sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon. Salamat sa pag-share nyo ng inyong umaga with all of us. Hello.
Wow! Thank you. May trivia
Thank
si
you.
Mamu Tin.
May trivia. So, kahapon, June 13, okay, Friday. So, in 1994, same day, June 13, ito po
1994.
ang ganap. Pakita natin na may kinalaman kay John. Ready na ba ang visuals?
Oh my God.
Oo. Wait
John,
lang, pero...
ayan na!
Grabe!
Oh my goodness.
On this
Grabe.
day. Oo, in 1994.
Marami na siguro, marami na sanang naging scientist
Oo.
na natulungan yan kasi it was in school science classes sa lahat ng public schools sa
Ganda
Pilipinas.
You know, my dream is
Oh.
magkaroon pa ulit na show sa mga for the children now, right? Na
Yeah.
locally produced,
Totoo.
right?
Yeah.
Na ganyan.
Why not TV5?
Saka-
Hello, TV5.
At kasama sana ang theater,
Correct.
art,
Pwede.
music,
Yeah.
painting. Yes.
Wait lang.
Maraming matutulungan yun.
I would also
Thank
like
you,
to commend John. Sobrang ganda ng Vogue feature, Vogue Philippines feature. I mean,
Ay, oo.
the
May effect nga sa akin. Parang kahit saan ako magpunta ngayon, kahit nag-grocery, pag lalakad ako, naging... Oo, medyo ganun ako ngayon, ma-posing ako ngayon sa buhay.
I love
May effect pala
it.
yung bonggang Vogue. Salamat din Vogue Philippines. At may story din sila about,
Yes.
bukod sa Pride Month, my relationship with my father, etc. etc.
Wow.
Na tema rin naman ng play na
Ay,
tinatampan.
oo nga.
Pang Father's Day din yun. Oo.
Correct.
Carla, congrats sa napakagandang run ng Come From. Akala ko noon, parang tungkol siya sa conflict at pagkakasundo ng mga dati nagkagalit. Akala ko, come from away. Hindi pa.
Ano?
Come from away.
Oo nga, Miss Carla,
Mali
bakit nga
naman
siya
pala.
come from away?
Ay, ang ganda niyan. Pakinggan niyo si Carla.
It's so, you know, I mean, I'm sure you guys know what happened during 9/11.
Yes,
So
yes.
you that big tragedy that happened in New York in September 11 when terrorists attacked America, and two planes hit the Twin Towers. So itong story nito, babasahin ko siya para accurate ako ha.
Aha.
Saan ko ba nilagay? Teka, ito na naman tayo. Hindi malabas yung pagka nanay at ang age ko pag ganito ang nangyayari. So it's about there's this place called Gander, Newfoundland. Apparently, in America, merong mga emergency landing airports surrounding America when you cannot land in America. So during the 9/11, the whole airspace of the US was closed. So walang airplanes na maglaland. So they had to
Divert.
land in Gander, Newfoundland, Canada. And 7,000 passengers landed in this particular airport. And this town called Gander, they only have about 7,000 residents also, so they had to accommodate double the size
Oh my
of their population. And it showed how compassionate, how kind, and how loving this town was, and welcomed 7,000 strangers, which they call come from a ways, kasi they came from,
Oh!
They came over.
Yun.
and the show
Dayo.
does not focus on the tragedy of 9/11. Sorry, neighbor ko hi, binubusinahan ako. So it does not focus on the tragedy that happened, but it focuses more on the people who, it focused on September 12, the day after,
Oh.
5 days after the tragedy. So itong mga come from a ways were stranded in Gander, Newfoundland for 5 days. So you will have the story of the Ganderites, as we call them, on how they came together and bayanihan ba? Parang Pinoy.
Ah,
ano,
wow,
they're like
oo,
Filipinos.
galing.
They're like
Oo.
Filipinos talaga. And nakakatuwa kasi may mga ganun pala na, kasi akala natin mga Pinoy lang ang ganun. May ibang pala mga bansa ganun din ang personality nila, and it's so perfect that this is led by an all Filipino cast because we did it so naturally. And yung pag-portray namin ng characters, imagine there's 12 cast members.
Aha.
Each of us play at least 6 to 10 characters each.
Wow.
Grabe.
So you will see over 100 characters on stage played by 12 actors.
Bayanihan din pala.
Oo, pati sa
Bayanihan
acting.
sa pag-acting.
Saka when we change characters, hindi lang itsura namin, kasi we never leave the stage. Only a few people leave the stage. But the whole entire time we're all on stage, we do our costume changes on stage, and in a split second we become a Ganderite with a Newfoundlander Canada accent.
Wow.
Oh.
Ano yung
And then
accent na yon?
Patingin ng caps, pasample.
Sample is, hop right in, you look so tired.
Ooh.
We'll get you where you're going. Yeah.
Wow.
Ganun yung, we've got our own time zone here. You need to reset your watches. Everything happens half an hour in Newfoundland. Ganun yung accent ng Gander, Newfoundland. And then in a split second, I changed into my main character, which is Hannah, and she's from New York. And this is how she talks.
Oh! Grabe.
And then in a split second, I become this LA girl from like LA, because I'm like in an airplane and I'm really drunk and I don't know what's going on.
Oh my gosh. Yun, sobrang familiar sa atin yung accent na yun, di ba?
Buti
Hello,
di siya nalilito.
Kardashians.
Buti di siya
Oo
nalilito
nga
na
eh.
pagpapalit yung accent.
Sobrang
Marami
galing.
pa, like with Menshu Lauchenko Yula, she also plays a pilot, and she has this southern accent. And then we have Kathy Asansa, who suddenly becomes a Texan. Her main character becomes Texan. So iba-iba. And then we have a British accent din kami.
Ay, wow.
Such a beautiful, nakakaaliw na musical that you will laugh, you will cry, you will feel all the love, and you'll come out of amidst the context of the play that it's about the tragedy that happened. You'll come out feeling really, really good
Oh,
afterwards.
wow.
Kasi
And,
Ay.
what I just want to congratulate, yun na nga,
I'm sorry.
I just want to congratulate you and of course
Yeah.
John, who's been doing theater since forever, because theater and live musical is doing so well right now.
God is good. Sad, lalo na sa amin ni John. John, hindi tayo nawawalan ng trabaho, no?
Hindi.
Ano
Saka
talaga,
dumadami yung mga,
nanganganak.
oo, ang daming students, ang daming professionals, lolo't lola, mga retiree. Alam namin na, sinabi ng director namin ni Carla sa isang production na pinagsamahan namin, yung ticket, pang grocery yan. Pero ginigive up nila para bumili ng ticket.
Wow.
Para manood at magbago yung kanilang araw, makatulong sa kanilang soul, mabusog ang kanilang puso. Napaka-special na gift nun, kaya grabe din yung effort namin na ibigay yung halaga ng inyong pinambili ng ticket, yung puso, yung imahinasyon, yung utak, yung lapot ng aming material na ipinapakita. And through the years, napaka-blessed namin ni Carla na yung mga dumating na projects along the way, napaka-meaningful, mapa-Pinoy, mapa-bisita, mapa-lolo-lola, and may pagka for all seasons yung mga napili namin project. Kaya pwede itong pang Father's Day kasi may kwento ng mga magulang at ama. Marami sa 9/11 ay ama.
Correct,
Marami
correct.
sa kanila ay 'di ba, mga anak ng mga amang nagluksa.
Aha.
Oo, and it's so special. Napaka bongga nung pagdami ng play. Ewan ko na, nag-worry
Speaking
nga
of
yung
bongga.
iba kong kaibigan na senior na rin, Layak. Nag-iipon kaya ang mga anak ko? Lahat ng play na ito, pinagbibili.
May kilala akong ganyan, yung girlfriend ng kapatid ko. Lahat ng play, lahat ng upcoming musical, kailangan iping ko sa kanya kasi talagang sinusuyod nila every weekend. Manunood talaga sila. Yan ang kanilang pastime at ang kanilang form of entertainment. Pero,
Totoo, tsaka hindi yung mahingi ng pakompli-kompli, bumibili.
correct,
Oo,
correct.
nagtatabi ng baon.
May
O, hindi ito
may
dahil
bumulong nga sa akin
naka-reaction
ngayon
paper.
na movie producer kaya they're getting into live musical was because yung huli daw nila na pinroduce na film, their live musical na pinroduce did better. So they're gonna have a rerun this quarter 4. I'm sure baka alam niyo na kung ano yung tinutukoy ko show. Pero yun nga. So, but I'm happy buhay na buhay ang live
teatro,
performance,
yeah.
ang teatro. Pero ano po ba? Ito naman kay Sir John, di ba?
Oo.
Kamusta po ang inyong
Yung-
play ngayon?
Mga bonggang bagay.
Yung bawat bonggang bagay, galing ito sa isang English playwright, nag-run ito sa UK, nag-run ito sa New York, tapos dinala sa Pilipinas. A long time ago, iba yung pinagbidahan nito ni Kaki Teodoro at ni Teresa Herrera sa original niyang Ingles.
Aha.
Every Brilliant Thing. Tapos tungkol to sa bata na one-person show, pwedeng in different countries ginagawa na ito. Minsan actress, minsan actor. Yung bata mula 7 years old hanggang mga 47 yata, gumagawa lang ng listahan ng mga bagay na pwede mong ipagpasalamat. Kasi yung nanay niya, may pinagdadaan ng sobrang bigat, ayaw ng mabuhay.
Oh, wow.
So,
So 7 years old ka, pinipigil mo yung nanay mo na give up mabuhay.
Grabe.
So kung ano-ano, sinalin ngayon sa Pilipino.
Oo.
So mula 2018, siguro 2023, sinalin sa Pilipino, napili po ang inyong lingkod. Tapos yung twist niya, kasi yung bata, lumaki, mapapanood mong lumalaki, mapapanood mong nai-inlove. Yung na-inlaban ko, another boy. Oo, doon sa original ni Teresa Herrera at Kaki, na-inlove sila sa boy. In America, yung British actor na-inlove sa girl. Dito po, meron din po siyang LGBT voice. So, mapapanood nyo, lumaki yung bata, lumaki yung listahan at magbago yung relationship niya sa kanyang mga magulang. Napaka-special nung angulo nung bata at nung kanyang ama.
Oh,
And,
wow.
so, in a way for all seasons, kasi pwede siyang pang mental health month. Nung una siyang na-stage, yun ang kanyang timbre. Pwede siyang pang Pride Month.
Yeah,
Pwede
Pride
pang
Month.
Pride Month.
Father's Day. It's a love story
And it's
for
starting
fathers.
today. Grabe, thank you so
Yes.
much. Hindi ka ba namin nagugulo? Kasi di ba perform ka na pala.
Kaya
Hindi,
nga eh.
alam nyo, yung nagising ka para sa mga kind words ng mga dati mong nakatrabaho at naka-reunite din. Si MJ nakapanayam na rin, nakasama ko na sa panayaman si Christine many years ago. You know, isa yung bonggang bagay, ililista ko yan.
Ay!
Ang nakita mong muli, yung mga dati mong nakakasama sa camera o sa entablado, si Carla, si MJ, di ba, ang daling humanap na ikabobongga. Kanina umaga lang, ang bumalaga sa akin bonggang bagay, yung tamang-tamang pagkaprito ng bangus at saka yung fried
Ay,
egg. Ang
isa!
perfect ng pagkarami. Tapos,
Nako.
ay naku, wag niyo kakausapin pala si Carla sa pagkain, di kayo matatapos.
Ay, speaking
Naku,
of,
Carla,
paano
naminis
yung-
ko ang kalyo.
oo nga, paano
Ay,
yung
God!
Father's Day mo bukas?
Ang arroz caldo, naku, nakasama ko siya sa PETA.
Oo.
May play sa PETA.
Sarap.
May ganyang kalaki, malaki pa sa akin ang kaldero
Sobrang
ng
sarap ng pagkain
arroz
nila.
caldo.
Yes.
Ang arroz
Actually,
caldo, di ba ang bongga nun?
oo,
Food
Miss Carla,
conversation,
kabarkada ko nung
bongga
high
yan.
school yung sister niya, si Nikki. Kaya alam ko kung gaano kasarap yung pagkain sa kanila, sa bahay
Oo.
nila sa Green Hills.
Ako naman may kwento rin, may ambag ako dyan. Good friend ko, si
Mamutin.
Monica. Si Monica na kalyos din like you, ang specialty.
I learned. She
Diba?
was the one who taught me how to cook kalyos.
Yeah,
Wow.
hi, Monica.
That's Ate Monica's recipe. Oh, I tweaked it already to be my own. Para ala Carlota siya. But she was
Wow.
the one who taught me how to
And
cook that.
kaya
Oh.
nag-hi ata si Chef eh. Nag-hi si Chef. May event
Oo,
kami next
kanina pa siya
week.
nag-aaligid sa likod ko.
Oo,
Nag-hi.
may event kami next
Happy
week sa
Father's
Casa
Day,
Buenas.
Chef.
Yes.
Oo. Doon ba
Happy
yung ano nyo?
Father's Day, Chef.
Oo, Happy Father's Day. At uuwi ba si Sofia? Syempre, nagtatanong na yung mga cats.
Ay, correct.
Para kay Cats Eye Mom.
Alam mo, nang gugulat yan siya. We never know when she's flying in. She just calls us biglang the day before, Mom, I'm flying in tomorrow. We're like, ha? Okay, paano? Ganun. So, ganun siya. So, we have no idea what her schedule is because that's how busy she is.
Grabe yung earworm ko sa Gnarly, ah. gnarly. Kakagaling ko lang kasi sa LA, tas I swear, lahat ng mga Gen Z at Gen Alpha, yun ang sinasayaw at yun ang pinapakinggan, yung bagong kanta ng Cat's Eye.
Wow.
Gnarly.
They have new songs coming next week. On the 27th yata, lalabas na yung buong EP nila.
Ay, wow. Ako,
Looking
aabangan ko talaga
forward
yun.
to
Looking
it.
forward. Kasi, I love it. Syempre, napakinggan mo na.
Test na naman ako. Hindi ko pa No, she doesn't make us hear. Even the Gnarly, nung lumabas, isa kami dun sa mga, oh my God, paano ko to share sa friends ko?
Baka ma-shock sila, di ba? Boba tea, gnarly.
Sabi ko,
Ayan,
oh
ayan,
my God.
ayan.
And then when I saw the video, yung music video, not the music video, but the dance video na talaga, doon lang, kaya pala, okay, pwede ko nang i-share.
Ayan,
So-
yun yung nag-interview tayo dahil pumunta na rin dito yung Cat's Eye Mamutin.
Correct. I know.
Para mag-perform, para mag-promote no ng Popstar Academy na sobrang
Yes.
ganda kung gusto nyo makita yung pinaghirapan nila at kung gaano ka-talented
Oh.
yung ang galing nagmana kay Miss Carla.
Talaga
Alam
they're a
mo,
family of
as much-
talented
as much as
thespian
I want-
singers.
As much as I want to take credit, I must say that ang nakuha lang ni Sofia sa akin is mukha ko. But her talent, the way she sings, the way she dances, that's La Forteza.
Talaga?
Oh.
Hindi Guevara?
oo.
Hindi Guevara,
Kasi La Forteza, because my husband's family, they all sing and they all dance as well. And sila talagang family of dancers. Tapos yung mga pamangkin ko, mga praise and worship leaders yan sila. And they have, their voices are gospel and
Grabe.
talagang
Wow.
pop. Kasi ako, di ba, Broadway ako. Siguro yung mga pagka-Broadway and Disney ni Sofia, doon na niya nakuha sa akin yan. Pero yung mga pop niya ng mga Ariana Grande style na mga kulot-kulot,
Oo.
that nakuha sa side yan. Pati yung pagsayaw niya. Kasi ako, I am not a dancer. I'm a mover. I can
Okay.
move. And if you give me ample time to rehearse, I'll be able to execute the choreography. But I need like literally months to rehearse. Siya, parang daddy niya, titignan lang or sasabihin lang yung steps sa kanila. Alam na nila kung paano i-execute.
Grabe.
Amazing.
Ibang klase. Iba rin yung mga generations of talents na no? Na tatalakay natin ngayon. Ibang klase. But anyway, Sir John, ayun, umpisa natin sa inyo.
Sana subukan mo ang stage someday. MJ, sana subukan yung maging bahagi ng isang play. Napakaraming maliliit at malalaking play going on.
In
Sa
my
maliliit
next
at
life.
malalaking lugar. Dito lang sa kinalalagyan namin, dito sa bahay ko,
Oo.
bababa lang po ako 100 steps. Kapit bahay ko yung theater ko.
Talaga?
Nakatira ko malapit sa Spotlight Power Max Center. Na
Oh.
200 steps naman, naandun na ako sa Samsung, sa theater nila Carla.
Oh,
I live in a beautiful artistic community. Nakakatuwa, may
Oh.
museum na itatayo rito.
Oo.
Si Odehemora, may eskwelalang magbubukas dito.
Uy, ang galing.
Nandito ang
Alam ko na kung saan ka
Philharmonic.
nakatira.
Alam-
Dahil
alam na namin ngayon saan
Alam
ka
na namin.
nakatira.
Saan ka
Bandaron.
nakatira, tahanapin.
Oo, Bandaron.
So, saan ka dyan nagkakape?
In
Saan ka
fact, ang dali lang
nagkakape,
ipadala
puntahan ka
nung
namin.
ang dali lang ipadala nung Calyus eh. Kasi ang lapit lang doon sa dressing room ni Carla. Yung
Oh,
dressing room ko
actually.
doon sa Power Mac, mag-overlap kami ng isang
Yun na.
weekend.
Is
Dalawang
that the
weekend.
parinig?
Itong
Noted,
weekend, 14,
noted.
15, 16, tsaka 20, 21, 22.
Oo.
Ang lapit lang namin. Tapos, ay nako, bukod, nandito rin ang statistics office, license renewal.
Australian Embassy.
One-stop shop.
Saka yung visa, yung one-stop ng visa, ang lapit dito. Napakaganda rito sa aming kinalalagyan at buhay na buhay ang art.
Yeah.
And yun nga, pagpunta kayo sa, alamin nyo na sa Ticket World, yung tickets for Come From Away at
Yeah.
at bawat bonggang bagay, kung saan mang outlet. I hope I got it right na.
Yeah.
Sa Ticket World, mahahanap din ang Come From Away. And, ay naku, mabubusog ang puso nyo.
Ako, for our viewers, if you follow me on Instagram,
Yeah.
please follow me and then send me a PM because I have a special promo code for you for a really good discount
wow.
if you book your tickets of Come From Away from me.
Until when
Ayan.
ba? Until when na? Tayo manood tayo.
Until
Until when? Until when?
Mag-spotlight ka rin mamaya kasi di ba si
Sa Ateneo mamaya yung The
Ateneo.
Choosing. Kasi last
Manonood.
weekend na nila. So manonood
Oo.
muna kami ni Julius ng The Choosing, ni Ice at saka ni Liza.
Ay, tita,
Tapos
ay,
next
Kabila.
weekend kami naman sa inyo manonood.
Oo.
Kaya promote na natin sa kanila kung paano di ba confused yung tao nasan yung come from away, come from away. At saka saka yung sa'yo, John.
Mm-mm.
Oo, yung,
Alam mo,
hindi,
do you know what I love about every brilliant thing tsaka yung bonggang bagay? Every show is different.
Okay.
Did you guys know that? Yung show
Oo,
nila,
kasi,
you actually watch it every day and it will be a different show. Kasi
Wow.
di ba, John, iba yung may
Participation.
kinakausap pang mga may audience
May,
participation kasi so
oo.
depende
may
sa
involve, ganun.
reaction ng audience na kausap mo kung anong mangyayari sa show.
Wow.
May kinukwento nung bata yung, nagpunta ako rito, kinakausap ko yung doktor. Teka, pwede ikaw yung doktor? Halika. Tapos
ang galing!
mag-unfold
So
konti.
fun.
Tapos,
It's such a fun show.
na-in love. Oo, na-in love siya sa, may nakalingunan siya sa campus, na biglang napatingin siya, tapos, yung audience member na iyon, mararamdaman mo naman, it's a safe space. It's mga 1 minute of improv. Tapos, pagdating dito, meron akong tatay every night. Iba-ibang gabi, iba-iba yung ama. So, sinabi ni dad ganito, sinabi ni dad ganun. And yung play, dedicated ng playwright, si Duncan Macmillan, sa kanyang ama. And it's opening sa West End. This year, this last quarter, balitaan na nga, pag-iipunan na yata namin ng mga former cast members ang manood. Tapos nag-reach out din sila kasi siguro 60 countries. Kung hindi man 60, I think 6 na po. Oo, yung pareho lang 60. Yung nag-adapt na nito sa kanilang language. Ang sarap.
So invite mo na
Inimbita ko
sila
ng tatay ko. Ayan ang tatay
Ayan,
ko.
Ay, wow!
Oo, sundalo. Kasama yung nanay ko.
Ang ganda.
Nakapang kamukha mo.
Oo, kamukha.
Correct.
John, is that you?
Pinotosyap daw yung mukha ko, tinapal ko kay mama.
Galing!
But anyway, there's something for everybody. Sorry, sisingit ko na rin. Yung mga malapit sa CCP, may mga play po dyang nangyayari.
Oo.
Sa CCP, may Love Fest, may Virgin Love Fest ang CCP. Sa bandang Ateneo, Quezon City, andyan po ang choosing. Di ba banda ron naman kay Chef, may nangyayari din magandang
Oo,
play.
Newport.
Kung
Bagets
nasan
the
si
musical.
Chef.
Magkakaroon sa January. And of course, they're
Yes.
starting their audition soon. So kung gusto nyo mag-audition, alongside line producer ang PETA, with Viva, first, they're the first foray
into musical.
into musical, which
Oh
is
my
Bagets.
gosh, 13 years old ako noon.
Ayun na.
1983
Oo.
Bagets. Isa ako sa mga pumunta ng premiere, ha? Alam mo, ginawa ko, guys.
Oo.
Kwento ko lang kasi super crush ko nun si Aga Mulak. Tumuntong ako sa LED siya ng Green Hills Theater, ha? Tapos magkaiba yung color ng
Oo.
shoes ko, isang red, isang yellow. Ginaganon-ganon ko para mapansin ako ni Aga. Ganon.
Ako naman, nag-cut ng classes, pinunit ang patch para hindi mahuli, nanood sa Magallanes. Doon ko pinapanood
Wow!
lahat ng pelikula ni Sharon.
Bagets
Yes.
days.
Saka mga iba-ibang films ng Regal nung araw. Medyo napakayaman ng ating film history na ang sarap pag nasasalin nga sa
Sa
musical.
teatro.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
May hindi natuloy nung pandemic.
Yes,
Between
correct.
Bongga Kaday.
Bongga Kaday.
The
Bongga
musical. Tapos nag-COVID, hindi
Yeah.
natuloy.
Yeah.
Muntik ma-involve ang Viva doon, pero I'm happy Viva is involved with
Yes,
this
yes.
now.
Finally nga, na nila with this.
So happy the theater is alive
Oo.
again.
Yes, oo. Tsaka ang maganda dyan, kahit na international show yung pinapasok, Filipinos pa rin ang cast.
Yes!
Totoo.
Totoo.
Oo. Even the musical that I'm doing next, it's an international, we're flying in international actors. Pero Pinoy, yung fina-fly in namin na international actors.
Wow.
What's
Is
the
this
next
with
musical?
GMG?
Yes.
Is this with GMG?
The
Yeah.
next musical.
No, this one with GMG, itong Come From Away
Yes.
ko. And this is the first time that they're doing it with an all-Filipino cast. Kasi
Oh,
syempre,
wow.
when they did it on Broadway and on London, even in, alam mo bang, they also showed this in Gander, Newfoundland mismo, with the real Gander, Newfoundland people.
Wow.
And ang ganda, alam mo, manood kayo guys.
Yes.
Ang ganda. You're
So,
gonna
when,
feel
dali?
so good when you leave the theater.
Oo. May question ako,
Oh, ano yun?
Carla, totoo ba yung mga dumating doon nung panahon nung September 12 na nakisalamuha sa mga taga roon, 10 years later nag-reunion doon?
Yes.
Nagpunta roon, binalikan.
The 5 days that
Grabe.
kasi nga ako, babalik ko sa story ha. So, yun na nga, about these Gander people who accepted these Come From Away. So, yung main character namin is, it's about the people on the airplane. Like in my case, my character name is Hannah, and I'm a mom from New York City, and my son is a firefighter So yung plot yung track ko is I'm worried about my son because hindi ko siya makontak. Alam kong frontliner siya. So buong play, yun yung makikita nyo sa akin as Hannah. And you will see how my relationship, my friendship develops with one of the Ganderites, which is her name is Beulah, which is played by the beautiful
Sheila!
ko. Ang ganda nung friendship na mabubuo namin sa show. And the real Beulah and the real Hannah really had that relationship. They became really, really good friends
Oh, wow.
up
Amazing.
until now.
Yeah.
Kasi we portray real people. These
Yeah.
are real
Oh, wow.
people.
Grabe.
We even meet them. During the rehearsal process, GMG was able to find the real people who
Oh, wow.
were there in the 9/11 tragedy,
Grabe.
who were stranded in Gander, and the real people from Gander who took care of them. So, nakilala namin sila through Zoom.
Oh, wow.
We are able to fully portray them as they are. Ginagaya talaga namin the way they talk, the way they walk. Ang ano talaga, ang iba yung process. The first time ako magkaroon na maging part of a musical in a show na nakilala namin yung mga totoong tao. Not just the original, we also met the original cast members.
Wow.
Not just the original cast members, but the actual people. Like Menshu Lochenko Yulo had a long conversation with the Captain Beverly Bass,
Oh, wow.
who was the very first female captain of American Airlines. And yung track naman ni Mama Menshu is more of women empowerment. She has this really beautiful solo where she makes kwento how she became a pilot and how she was able to overcome nga yung, di ba, primarily mga lalaki talaga ang mga pilots. So, tapos mga females, mga flight attendants. So nung talagang minamata siya na, ano ka ba, parang nakakalalaki ka naman. Parang, tapos prove niya, no, women can be pilots too and I can become a captain.
Oh, wow.
So, may mga ganon.
And
So,
sobrang random na, 'di ba? Imagine mo, na-divert siya, 'di ba? So,
Oo.
and then right now, her story is being told through this beautiful musical. Ibang klase.
Iba-iba, marami
feeling
ibang
ko.
characters. We have another character, we call them the Kevins. Mag-boyfriend sila, si Kevin T. And played by Topper Fabregas and George Schultz. And you'll see their dynamics, their relationship, how it affected how the tragedy affected their relationship, how the 5 days in Gander affected their relationship, what happened when they went back to LA, yung mga ganon.
Wow. Wait, until when will this
Feeling ko
run?
someday,
Aha.
baka dapat magkaroon ng Inay Ko Po the Musical. Sino magpaportray sa iyo, Tintin at MJ? Siguro
Sarili
pwede kami
namin.
ni Carla.
Ito ba kasi
Sarili
story
namin.
namin into
Ako
live
si MJ,
musical?
si Carla, si
Si
Tintin.
Ate.
Ako kayang-kaya. Oo. Diba? And pag ewan ko, isang director na nakatrabaho, madalas namin makatrabaho ni Carla nag-share sa akin, kaya nagkaka-musical. Yung, kala nyo ba tumigil lang at kumanta at nag-concert? Hindi. Pag yung emosyon mataas, sasabihin mo ba, uy, dahil, they're very alive. Hindi, napapakan ang mga bagay na mataas emotionally, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin lamang, ikakanta mo. At pag
Correct.
tumaas pa doon, isasayaw mo pa. So, ang mga musicals, ang taas-taas ng emosyon, ay nako, lalo na yung susunod na gagawin ni Carla, abangan ninyo. Ewan ko, sold out na nga lang ata.
Grabe.
Pero hindi natin alam.
Sold out na agad?
A little later this year. Tapos, yung akin naman din susunod po, musical din, true story din, kambal na magkakabit.
Ay,
Wow.
Side show. Na-stage na to sa
Maganda rin
Pilipinas.
yun.
Uy, balik kayo,
Tony.
mag-promote kayo,
Oo,
ha?
sana bumalik po kayo
Tony
para mag-promote.
nominated. Oo, Tony nominated film siya and then na-stage na noon sa Pilipinas, sa Amerika na-revive. Tapos ngayon gagawin ulit. Ang ganda-ganda din ng story, true story. Kambal sila na magkadikit ng katawan, conjoined at a time na hindi
Grabe.
scientifically kaya
I'm so curious how...
ginamit,
Do it, oh.
nilagay sa circus, pinagtrabaho, nagdaan sa hirap, nagdaan sa pighati. Kompleto, may pag-ibig, may musical, may family, may pagmamahal, at may pain, at may pasakit. Ay, ang ganda din. Nakakatuwa din yung proseso. Pero hindi ko mamimit yung tunay na mga tao kasi 1930 pa po yung
Mahirap
naging
na
buhay
pa.
nila.
Correct, oo
Kaya-
nga. Dito na muna
Oo,
tayo.
ayoko maki-zoom sa kabilang booth.
Correct.
Sa zoom ang kabilang
Zumba kami.
I love it.
Ayan, nag-promote na
Diba?
kayo kasi naghihintay na sila kung
And
paano. Oo, hanggang
paano.
kailan.
Carla.
Okay, I'd like to invite you all to please come and watch this beautiful, beautiful music about compassion and love and talagang parang Pinoy talaga yung bayanihan and makaka-relate kayo to at least one character. This is 12 actors playing more than 100 characters
Oh, wow.
on stage and the music is so beautiful. The cast, oh my gosh, alam mo, yabang aside, ang tawag po daw nila sa amin, the Avengers, and sana po mabigyan namin ng justice yun because talagang nagtipon-tipon talaga kaming 12 with our director and our musical director and our choreographer to be able to bring out this beautiful musical called Come From Away. We are showing now at the Samsung Performing Arts Theater at the Ayala Circuit. You can get your tickets at ticketworld.com.ph or you can please follow me on Instagram, Carla Guevara Official. Guevara is with 1 R. Once you follow me, send me a message that you'd like tickets and I can give you a really good promo price for it. And we are showing today, we have 2 shows today. We have a 3 o'clock and an 8 p.m. So every Friday we have 8 p.m. Saturdays we have 3 and 8 p.m. On Sundays we have 1:30 and 6 p.m. So sa Father's Day, guys, meron ako special Father's Day promo for Sunday. Again, PM me on Instagram to know what it is. It's a beautiful show to bring your dad to and your family. We are showing all the way till June 29 only. Please come and watch Come From Away. Ayan.
Wow.
Thank you, noted.
Noted.
Ang
Yes.
bilis ko mag-type.
Ako,
Actually,
Ako
chinerch
naman
ko na
po.
agad.
nagkaroon
John.
ako ng pagkakataon to take a break from political satire, current events, kung ano yung mga timely. Hindi, napunta ako ngayon sa timeless. Kasi yung pong storya nito is napaka-timeless po pagmamahal sa ama, pagmamahal sa pamilya, na may na may twist nung naibigay po sa inyong lingkod para i-SM, may halong pride. Yes, may halong pride na gay pride, love wins, yung mga temang yan, naroon din, marriage equality, and from playing iba-ibang tao po, baliktad yung audience ko naman po, ang ginagawa kong iba-ibang tao. At ako po ay isa lamang, isang batang nagre-remind sa ating lahat na, kapag ginanong ko lang mukha ko, walang wrinkles. Tinan mo. Ang ganda. Pag ginanong ko pala, na nire-remind ko sa inyo na ang buhay ay napakasaya. Ang gay pride, ang Pride Month message ko po, things get better. Kapit lang po, there is always something to be thankful for, tulad ng napakaganda kong umaga. At tickets po sa Ticket World. Ang show days po namin, opening tonight, 14, bukas 15. Ang next weekend naman po, 20, 21, 22. Sa 21, dalawa yung show, 3 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. So magkita-kita po tayo doon. See posters and printouts for details for DTI permit number 99701 series of 2025. Still best for babies. And
Best for
children. Okay.
Sabihin mo na yung Gcash mo.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sarap po.
Thank
And
you.
special hello to Jude and Loretta, and to all fathers, and to Dad, and to my husband, Sam. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wala po kami masyadong oras para mag-march sa kahit aling mga pride events and parades, but with them in spirit. Kagabi kasama ko po si Precious Paula Nicole.
Cool. Ay, wow.
At hello po sa lahat po ng mga ama na may anak na drag artist.
Ay, wow.
Sa mga lahat ng nagmahal ng anak na iba at pinaramdam sa kanila that they are special. And happy Father's Day, happy Pride to all of you. Love you,
Yes.
Carla.
Amen.
Good to see
Amen.
you, Christine and MJ.
Great to see
See
you.
you on Tuesday, ha?
Oo.
John.
Yes, isa na lang tanong, Christine, alam mo pa ba ang respiratory system, ang digestion, at ang photosynthesis from CD Escuela Season 1?
Mahirap kalimutan yun. Yun ang ating breakfast everyday.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much, John Santos and Carla Guevara
Yes.
Corteza.